Welcome to TechEV.com channel, your solution providers. I am Ben, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Trickster for super slow motion. First of all, create your footage in the project tab, then drag it onto your composition. This will make your new comp of exactly the same size as of your footage and the length. Before we start, there are several methods of creating a super slow motion. Either you can slow down your footage using the built-in time remapping option, or you can use an external plugin, that is Trickster. As you can see that the footage is already a slow motion of a water splash, but we'll make it super slow. Go to the effects and add Trickster Pro. Now there are several important things which you must keep in mind while using the Trickster. That is the input frame rate and the input fields. If these two properties are not correct, then you won't be able to get a super slow smooth motion. So the input frame rate of the footage I am using is 29.970 and the input fields are none because the footage is a progressive. This is the speed. You can vary the speed of your whole footage by varying this value, or you can put in some keyframes and then you can vary the values. We'll use both methods. Now go to your project tab, drag your footage onto your composition icon. This will pre-comp our main layer. Right click your composition, go to the time and enable time remapping. It will put in two keyframes at the start and at the end. Now slide along your timeline. Let's say at this instant, put in a keyframe, and after some time, put another keyframe. Now you can see that the overall footage is slow. So we'll make it fast at the start and we'll make it super slow at this point, and then we'll make it go fast at the end. Now as you can see this graph editor here, click the graph editor, and now you can see the keyframes which we inserted at these intervals. Drag this point in your timeline, make it smooth, and then drag this point here. Dragging this point to the left side will increase the speed of the footage, while dragging this point to the right will slow down the footage. Drag it a little more and drag this point to the right. Now as you can see that we have a fast motion at the start and then a super slow motion at the center, and then the finishing is again very fast. Now let's ramp preview it. Now you can see that our motion is super slow. If you are working with any footage that has a different background than the one you can see right now, because the background I am using is very smooth one, but if you are using some footage with a background of people moving, or with the background of grass or any sports footage you are using, and then you must use a footage of high fps, because using a footage of high fps it is easy to slow it down. Because when Adobe After Effects slows down a footage, it inserts frames in the intervals where frames are missing. Now let's see what other method is. Import your footage. Again, make a composition. Now right click your layer and enable time remapping. Now pre-compose your composition. Go to the effects and choose Trickster Pro. Now you can control the speed here. At this instant move back 6 frames put a keyframe, then move forward again 3 frames and slow down the speed. Make sure you slow it down from in a value from 0 to 100. If you slow it down to negative, it will go in reverse direction. Let's say I slow it down to 30%. Now move in your timeline and either you can put a keyframe by going to the properties, effect, Trickster Pro, output control, and put a keyframe here, or simply by you can do so by editing this value. Now move few keyframes further and make it 100. Now you can see that at this point Trickster makes this composition super slow. Now if you observe, there is a bit of blurriness here. This is because Adobe After Effects guesses the frames and put the frames when we slow down our composition. But if you are using a footage of high FPS, you won't face that problem. You can avoid this problem by going to the composition settings and reduce the frame rate of your composition. If you reduce it to 24, you will notice it is a bit smoother. So this is how you use Trickster and the time remapping to slow down any comp. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button or visit techiv.com channel to ask any questions if you have any queries.